CompTIA Network Plus Certification Training. Build your IT networking career. CompTIA Network Plus helps professionals develop practical networking skills for modern IT infrastructure and support roles. What is CompTIA Network Plus? CompTIA Network Plus is a globally recognized certification designed for IT professionals working with wired and wireless networks. In this certification, you learn networking fundamentals, IP addressing and network protocols, routers, switches, and access points, network troubleshooting, wired and wireless networking, network security basics. Why choose CompTIA Network Plus? This certification helps beginners and IT professionals build strong networking knowledge used in real-world environments. Key benefits: vendor-neutral networking certification, hands-on networking skills, industry-recognized credential, better IT job opportunities, strong foundation for cybersecurity careers. Learn with NYTCC. NYTCC provides professional CompTIA Network Plus training designed for practical learning and exam preparation. Training features: expert networking instructors, flexible online learning, practice exams and study support, real-world networking labs, interactive learning sessions. Skills you build: gain practical skills used in modern IT and enterprise networking environments. Core networking skills: network installation and configuration, network performance monitoring, troubleshooting connectivity issues, wireless network setup, network security implementation, cloud and infrastructure basics. CompTIA Network Plus exam overview. Understand the latest CompTIA Network Plus exam structure before certification. Exam details. Exam codes: N10-008/N10-009. Question type: MCQs plus performance-based questions. Total questions: 90. Passing score: 720. Certification vendor: CompTIA. Exam cost: around $369 USD. Career opportunities after Network Plus. CompTIA Network Plus certification opens doors to multiple IT networking roles. Popular career roles: network administrator, network support specialist, IT support technician, Junior network engineer, help desk technician, network analyst. Why networking skills matter? Every organization depends on strong and secure networks. CompTIA Network Plus helps professionals understand how networks operate, how to secure them, and how to solve real networking problems efficiently. Start your CompTIA Network Plus journey today. Build your future in IT networking with professional CompTIA Network Plus certification training from NYTCC. www.nytcc.net